ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Working President Jong Pradesh Congress Committee uba penshingan NSA ula ong baka Jaiñtia penbat pot happening ke jilla Meghalaya bat ka Assam kidai ban bishar kat kum ka North East Reorganization Act ka khandai spa nyo puway ka badai ka an baka sarkar India kala penkha ke jilla Meghalaya bat ye ka para 20 jong ka kernit ka bahanreu ka riti sanshar kari India namar baka ne ka kindon ka Kdew Shai upur Assam jong hima Khasi ki baha Hapo Jong United Khasi and Jaiñtia Hills District Council. Hagajing ekran mat kilat pathai khubor ba penshingan NSM ubala longteng ru kumu Chief Executive Member barim baru MDC Jong Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ula ong badai tang kini ki artli ki dulir ki bala ban penshisha yo podusam hapdeng ke jilla Meghalaya bat ke jilla Assam.
As per my understanding, the main important purpose that need to be discussed. We are a legislator. We stand by Constitution. And it is very clear that Paratunti clearly mentioning about the jurisdiction of the then United Khasi Jaiñtia District Council. It clearly said that the boundary of the United Khasi Jaiñtia District Council will be the S1 Khasi states. That is the very important stand in the Para 20. So during statehood 1972, before statehood, we come with a Northeast Reorganization Act 1971. It means that we have two important papers. One is 1971 Northeast Reorganization Act. Number two is Para 20 of the 60. The point is, I think the committee constituted by the two states should stand by the Constitution, means Para 20 of the 16th and the Northeast Reorganization Act 1971. I am very confident that the two chief ministers, when they submit a report recommended by the regional committees, should be based on the two important papers, that is Para 20 and Northeast Reorganization Act 1971. Because as of now we cannot give any comment. It may be in our favor, it may be in of Assam favor, but we cannot say anything right now. But what we stand is that the jurisdiction of the Khasi state, that is the jurisdiction of the state of Meghalaya and the Khasi Autonomous District Council. I am very confident that the two chief ministers, sitting along with the home minister, will discuss the Para 20, the Northeast Reorganization Act 1971, and come into a conclusion that the boundary between Assam and Meghalaya should be the boundary of the Khasi state. That is very, very clear stand. I don't think the government will take any aggressive decision and come to a conclusion against the boundary of the Khasi state. So I think my view is very clear that 1971 Northeast Reorganization Act and Para 20 should bring together and discuss in the committees and report accordingly as per these papers.